Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a user vault access on 1Password. Go ahead and click on vaults and open up whichever vault that you want to change a user access. And once you click on the vault, you will see the users on the right hand side. It's going to be under people, show the number of people of access, and you can click the three dots towards the right and you will be able to see their access. As you can see there, these are check marks and you can uncheck whichever one that you want to remove from their access by clicking on them to, let's say, remove them. And that's it. And you can always go ahead and click on a person's profile and you will be able to see all that they have access to, all the vaults, and you'll be able to manage it as well. So you can see right here that they have their different accesses, and you can go ahead and you can change your permissions or you can remove them from vaults that you don't want. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily change a user access to vaults on 1Password.